We design to your specs and model to fit your requirements. The CNC CTL23 PA is engineered for precision, speed, and total control in tube automation. Experience tube chamfering, inside diameter, both ends simultaneously with unmatched accuracy. From tube feeding and cutting to precision servo control, every step is seamless and repeatable. The adjustable system control allows for multi-length cut tubes, all supported by programmable chamfering lube and programmable air blast for chip removal. With an intuitive touchscreen user interface, operators can fine-tune and make quick adjustments on the fly. Lights Out Manufacturing keeps production running for high efficiency and reduced labor costs. Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-888-321-1499 today or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more American-made tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.